Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it. We have a silk bag to store our wig, edge band, 2 wig caps, and they're HD. Now this is the wig. It's a 7x5 bye knots lace wig, 24 inches. You want to do glueless, you have these tabs to use. Oh my, you guys see this lace? I love it. I love this. I don't know, there's something about the Yaki texture that these companies, they get it. Like, look at the lace. Absolutely beautiful. And like I said, it's a 7x5. Look how thin and beautiful that is. So it's a HD lace, which means it's gonna be flawless. Once you install this, you're gonna think it's your head. Okay, we do have a band clip at the back, and you guys know I love a clip because it helps with extra security. Now there's a thin band, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, and drawstring. Now, this wig fits all head size with the drawstring. All you have to do is once you put it on your head, pull it down, it's gonna fit. You see how snug that becomes? So if you're a small, medium, or large, it doesn't matter, it's gonna fit. And then once you're done, you tuck this under the wig. So it's gonna be seamless, okay? Now, you don't have to worry about a wig fitting your head size because it's definitely gonna fit. Alright guys, we are gonna get to installation with this wig. And you guys know I don't braid my hair anymore just because most of these wigs are 7x5 closures and I typically take them off within a few days, okay? And I need my hair to breathe. So I'm just putting one big plait in my hair, and then we are gonna put the cap on and get to it. Now this wig is very simple, very beginner friendly, so you're not supposed to be scared to get a wig like this because you can manage it yourself. Now I showed you guys that the wig have the upgrade on the cap, okay? No slip wig, so it ain't slipping off. It's 360 all around fixation, so you'll be perfect. Anti-slip strips. Okay, plus the anti-slip surrounding tape. Now this is it. We're gonna fit it on the head to see how it is first. And you know the wig is completely solving all the shifting problems, natural fit laced as well. Yes, let's go. All right, and then we have a thin bandage that oh, look, what did I tell y'all about this lace? You see that? OMG. Now, okay, I like this. You know the thin bandage that I showed you guys, this one, it tightens the wig perfectly. And I'm trying to find it because it's small. Alright, this is so nice. You see, for all the persons who, oh, I can't do my own hair, I gotta pay someone. No, you can. You can do it yourself. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how I tighten the wig before we do anything else. There's 2 things that we're gonna do. The thin bandage, we're gonna pull that first, so you guys look. Now this is it. We have to make sure it's very secure. So I'm gonna pull this down. Okay. And then we have the drawstring right here, which we're gonna pull it underneath. Make Make sure you tighten the band, pull it down, and tuck it under. Now, to be honest, this wig, it doesn't need anything. We don't have to worry about touching the wig or anything like that because it is so secure. Now, I have the cap, and a way for the cap not to show is to start it at your hairline. So that's a tip right there. We are gonna add just my shade concealer to brighten the part. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks before I do anything to it with just the brush. So if you are a person who cannot do your hair, this is all you need. Let's fix it so you guys can see. You see this? It's a wear and go. Like, you just take it out the pack and you put it on your head. Now look how straight it is. I love this Yaki texture, I'm not gonna lie. It fits perfect. Let's just brighten the part and see how that looks. I'm gonna use my shade. When you brighten the part, it helps look how precise that is. I am not gonna lie, I do not think this wig need anything. Come on now. This is straight out the pack. Straight out the pack. And I do have my hot comb, so if you really want to go in and do something to it, you can. Which I'm gonna do something to mine, okay? But I'm just showing you guys, like, you don't have to worry when you buy or you purchase a wig. Especially this one is made for you because how simple it is. You see how simple that is? Now we're gonna brush it. This is straight out the pack. Real time. Yes. This is the wig. It's 24 inches. So you get in length. Okay? Now, if you want to wear your wig as is, you can. Make sure you center the wig. Just keep fixing it until it's centered. Now, this is for the persons who want to wear the wig as is. You have somewhere to go, you purchase this, you don't have the time. You cannot do your hair and you don't have the time. This is the wig. So, now I show you guys that. We're going to go in and we're going to even make it a little bit more customized. Now, if you have some time, you just get the flat iron and run it through it. We don't have to part the hair or anything. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. And because I want to wear this for a few days, I will spray right here, just tab right there. So you guys will see all of that. Just keep on watching. Oh my gosh. I like it. It's been a minute. I don't wear a straight hair, so this one is perfect.
Say it, I want all night. I want all night. Say it, I want all night. I want all night. Say it, I want all night. I want all night. Say it, I want all night. I want all night. Say it, I want all night. I want all night. Say it, I want all night. Pick up the phone, show me the trail. Pick up the phone, show me the trail. Pick up the phone, show me the trail. Pick up the phone. I love every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high.
Guys, you see the way I use a flat iron? Look at this. Now, it is perfect. I love it. It's not going anywhere. It is straight. This is so beautiful. Like, it's lightweight. I don't know. I think Yaki texture is my favorite. Like, I really do like it because it's very manageable. It's perfect. And remember the drawstring, it can be adjusted so it doesn't matter your head size. I think I'm gonna style it for you guys to see, but this is how it is, straight. I love it. Absolutely love it. We're just running the flat iron through it. I didn't have to part it or anything. Beauty Forever, you did that, okay? So this is it. Let's get into it, and then I'll show you guys another style. Alright guys, this is how the hair looks. Curl. Listen, that clipping was in slow-mo, so you guys missed it, and this is like 2 hours later again, and the curls are still in. So you need to grab this wig. Make sure you guys check BeautyForeverHair website, and you can visit and purchase the same wig. It's 24 inches. Also, the link will be in the description, so it's gonna be easier for you guys. But I love the curl. Look at the ends, so you guys know, even though it's a Yaki texture, the curl is there, okay? So it's not disappointing at all. And let's talk about the lace, because sis, look at that. I know y'all have seen that, and I have this wig on for more than 12 hours now. So with that being said, it's a go for me, so make sure you check the description box. And thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Again, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.